In this video, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways on how you can remove your borders here in Google Sheets. So if you've applied some borders onto your data and now you just want to remove them, here are 2 easy ways on how you can do that. The first method would be to select your range where all those borders are applied. Then go to Format here in the menu bar and select Clear Formatting. Here on the right side, you'll also see your keyboard shortcut, which would be Control or Command if you're a Mac user, and your backslash. If you click on this, there we have it. We have removed all the formatting applied to this range, including our borders. But what if you just want to remove the borders? Let me undo that and let's go to our second method. So with our second method, you will still select the same range where those borders are applied, then go to the toolbar where you will see your borders. If you click on that, here are the different type of borders that you can apply to your data, and one of them would be this one right here, which will say Clear Borders. If we select this or click on this, there we have it. We've only gotten rid of the borders that are applied to that data without clearing or alternating colors or other formatting that we've done with our text. And there you have it. Again, 2 ways on how you can do this. First would be to go to Format and select Clear Formatting. Let's try and do that with our keyboard shortcut. So again, select that range, Control or Command, and your backslash. There you have it. We've cleared all the formatting applied to our range. Our second method would be to select the same range, then go to Borders right here in the toolbar and select Clear Borders. Click on that, and there we have it. So those were 2 easy ways on how you can remove your borders here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.